Hello class, good day! I am Joel Picheres. In this video, I will teach you on how to install MySQL database. So, since na meron na akong naka-install na database sa aking laptop, i-uninstall ko muna. So, click Start, then Control Panel, then Uninstall Program. Okay. Take note po, lahat po ng merong pangalan na MySQL yung i-remove po natin. So, from here to here. So, right-click, uninstall. Pwede mo i-check or pwede right-click mo lang yes. Uninstall, then yes. Hanggang maubos po yung lahat. Okay, click yes. Okay, since natapos na natin ma-remove yung MySQL, so meron pa po tayong gagawin. Punta tayo ng File Explorer, okay, C, tapos View, Options, Change Folder and Search Options, View, Show Hidden Files. So lahat po na naka-check dyan, ito pong naka-check, i-uncheck po yan lahat. Okay, para ma-show natin yung hidden files. Okay, punta po tayo ng Program Data. Okay, meron po dyang file na MySQL. Itong file na to, ito yung dating configuration. Kailangan po natin siyang i-remove. Right-click, then delete. Okay, same procedure sa C. Okay, Program Files. Hanapin natin yung folder na MySQL. Okay, kung wala dito yung folder ng MySQL, punta ulit tayo sa C, System C. Okay, Program Files, then MySQL. So, i-remove po yan, i-delete po yan. Okay, after that, restart your computer. Now, since I'm done restarting my computer, let me show you the step-by-step procedure on how to install MySQL database. So, first, you need to install MySQL Installer Community. So, open muna natin. Click yes. Click I accept. Then next. Default. Developer default. Sorry. So, click next. Okay, next. Yes. So, execute. So, wait until the installation will finish. Okay, now click next. Next again. Okay, next. So, type your password, admin. Repeat password, admin. Okay, add user. Okay, your user is root. Password, admin. Admin. Then click OK. Next. Okay, next. So, check enable protocol. Bakit kailangan i-enable? So, since na meron tayo ng program, halimbawa gusto mo gumawa ng program na naka-network, so kailangan po natin siya i-check. Okay, next. Execute. Okay, kapag may lumabas na yes, halimbawa sa firewall, so kailangan mo siya yes. I-click yes para mag-continue. Okay, click finish. Okay, next. Okay, check. The next. Execute. Yan. Dito rin. Halimbawa, may nag-pop up na message na kailangan mo i-confirm as yes. So, pakiclick mo na yes. Okay, finish. Okay, next. Okay, finish. Yan. Now, so as you can see, tapos na ako mag-install ng MySQL. So, open natin yung local instance. Double click, then type your password. Add. So, yun. Tapos ka na mag-install ng MySQL. Okay, next. Install naman natin yung connectors. So, double click. Next. I accept. Next. Complete. Next. Install. Yes. Finish. Another connector. .NET connector. Double click. Next. Complete. Install. Yes. Then click finish. Okay, thank you for watching.